my channel. If you're wondering what I'm doing, there is a current snowstorm. If you know, you know. And I have to go help my grandparents shovel the driveway. Am I happy about it? No. Am I going to do it? Yes, because of my grandparents and they're getting older. So, I already took this. I got my music. I'm just going to go put on my coat. Let's get started, shall we? And yes, I'm all greasy. I have Vaseline on my face to keep my face from catching frostbite or anything. Let's get started. Alright, guys. So, I'm not going to bring my camera outside because there's no place for it to stand. But you guys are going to get a great view of me from right here, showing the front stairs. And I don't know why my puppy is using shovel when we have the whole smoke going on. Alright, y'all. I had to take a quick bathroom break. Snow's kicking my ass. I'll tell you that much. Really had to strip out of everything. Asthma's flaring up. I can't. I gotta tell my grandparents I gotta tap out before I pass out. Okay, you guys. Like I said, your girl had to tap out. You guys can't see me. A little early than I would have liked to, but I got the entire. I'll show you guys in a second. Do you see this? There's snow in my fur. I gotta pace my breathing. Oh. Let's go upstairs. I know you guys, I'm not sitting outside, but, and it's still snowing, so the snow is starting to come back, but this is what I got. I got the entire front porch and stairs and the pathway, if you just ignore the snow that's falling. And before you guys say anything about it's not fully done, if I go any further off to the sides, I'm gonna be in the grass. I'm gonna be digging up the grass. That's why. Let's go upstairs. Okay, you guys. I'm back and feeling a little bit better. I just got off the shower. Lotion right here. Just lotioning my legs, but let me tell you something. For anybody who lives in the state, is in a state that gets, for anybody who lives in the states where it snows, you understand. And for the people who don't live in a state right now, you're very lucky. And for anybody who's on a tropical island somewhere, just know I don't like you. Okay? I'm just gonna be very, very honest. Not right now. But I won't lie. Shoveling brought back some memories because when I was a little girl, it snowed a lot. Always snowed here in New England. And when I was a little girl, me, my brothers, my sister, my cousin, we would, Poppy would be outside shoveling the snow. Now, normally he does it in the morning, but it started snowing at like 10 o'clock this morning, and it's been snowing all day. So normally he does it in the morning, but sometimes when he does it at night, we go out there. Can you guys see it? Focus. Thank you. We go out there and we help, but usually I wasn't helping. I was the one playing in the snow. But yeah. I'm mad that asthma started flaring up even after I took my inhaler, but I said, you know what? It wasn't bad. Like, I didn't have an attack or anything, but I said, you know what? Let me not risk it. Bath and Body Works. Let me not risk it. I don't want to put my health in jeopardy. I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow anyway, so. But yeah, that. Thanks for coming to shovel with me. Not too much, not too little. And for anybody who's wondering, yes, we have a snowblower. The problem is it doesn't work. We tried to turn it on. We would have been done with this already, but no, we had to do it the good old-fashioned way with the shovel. And luckily, we've had those for years. I swear, every year he gets new shovels, or every few years he gets new shovels. But we did it. The driveway is done. The pathway is done. And hopefully I'll be able to make it to my doctor's appointment in the morning. If not, I'm just going to have to call and either reschedule it or just go in at a different time. Because it's going to be snowing all night and all day tomorrow. So for anybody who's had a snow day, I remember those days. I look forward to them. If you're out there, please, anybody who's experiencing sleet and ice and those type of stories, please be careful. I know snow is beautiful to look at, but let's not take the risk and, make ourselves look crazy. If it's bad tomorrow, I'm gonna have to call and just reschedule because there's no way. And I'm not driving out there, and I'm for sure not having my grandparents drive out there just to take me. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. I'm gonna go keep an eye on my grandparents, make sure they're good. I'm gonna go do that. Thank you guys for watching. I hope y'all are making it work out there. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.